This series of video lectures will provide a brief overview of how these mechanisms are incorporated into the United States and State of Texas constitutions. When we speak of the structural principles of American constitutions, we're simply referring to how government is organized or set up. The principal structural features of the U.S. and Texas constitutions include separation of powers, checks and balances, bicameralism, and federalism. What all of these structural mechanisms have in common is that they disperse the authority of government among several different branches, levels, and institutions of government. The motivation of each was the belief of the American founders that the cause of individual liberty is greatly paralyzed by concentrated government authority. The separation of powers doctrine asserts that, 1, there are 3 intrinsically distinct government functions. The legislative function, meaning the power to make laws, the executive function, meaning the power to execute or carry out the laws, and the judicial function, which means the power to adjudicate laws, or the power to hear and decide individual disputes that arise under the law. Second, the 3 distinct functions ought to be exercised by 3 separate branches of government, which should be constitutionally independent of and equal to the others. And third, the powers vested in each branch should overlap, so that each branch may check and balance the others. This last assertion is the corollary principle of checks and balances.